Here I'm is. We bought this yesterday out of a box. Or in a box. I don't know what time it is. Let me check the time on the clock in the house. Let's say I started about 10:30, 11 o'clock. Maybe, yeah. Let's say 10:30. It's now 2:45. So 4 hours. 4 hours to put that grill together. Four hours to put that grill together. I did it. And it does work, because I tried it. And it works fine. I need to put a bolt in there, because I had one over there that I forgot I had put on the side. Oh, baby. Oh, wow. It's still jiggly. Yeah, I'll try to wiggle up next time. Fuck that. I'm all done. Oh, frickin' woman. Wow, what a fucking pain that was. Now I'm gonna do my boots, because, yeah, that's the easiest thing I can do. And remember that note that I wrote last night for Shannon to pay me? She came to the house today and paid me. She did. Wow. Oh. What do we got here? No, she's not there. She's probably in a chair or in a computer. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, you are a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Don't give me that stuff. Don't give me that stuff. Come here. Come here. Yes, a brat. Yes, a brat. All right, let's cook.
Cook what?
Well, I don't care. Let's cook.